Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Wi-Fi says connected, but there is no internet. First, run the built-in network troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then click on Troubleshoot. After that, select Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet, then click Run. Wait while Windows checks for problems. If it finds any issues, follow the instructions on the screen to apply the fix. When it finishes, check if your internet is working. If the problem is still there, reset the TCP and IP settings. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type the first command, ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. After that, type netsh-win-sock-reset and press Enter. Then type netsh-int-ip-reset and press Enter. When you finish all commands, restart your computer. This step refreshes your network settings and can fix hidden connection issues. Next, check your date and time. Right-click on the clock in the bottom right corner and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure the date, time, and time zone are correct. If they are wrong, turn on Set Time automatically. An incorrect date and time can block internet access. Finally, update your network driver. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install any available update. After completing these steps, your internet connection should work properly. Thanks for watching.